Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you're all doing great and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can do a power shot in FC Mobile 24 by EA. So let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I am in a kickoff game, which I have paused, in which I will show you how to do a power shot. And a power shot is pretty much just a more powerful version of a regular shot that will be a bit less accurate. However, it will be stronger, which means that your opponent will have a tougher time blocking it. So let's get right into the nitty-gritty of it. As you can see, I am currently in a game, and as you can see in the icons, or rather the buttons I have in the right, let me just get this ball back. My team is a bit bad since I didn't do anything pretty much to it. I didn't make any progress in the game. However, let me just this is really tough with this team. All right, thankfully I have the ball now, and pretty much the thing that you want to do is click on the shoot icon and just drag to the right. As you can see now, over half field I can shoot. Just click to the right. As you can see, power shot is on, and you can do your usual gestures through which you can actually aim the ball. But by clicking the power shot, as you can see, the shot is really powerful. However, it is really tough to aim. It is really not accurate. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you learned, or rather, I hope I explained everything to you that there is to explain. And I will see you guys in another video. Goodbye.